Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've just got a Popcultcha delivery, so I thought I would unbox it for you. It should be the new Harry Potter Sdcc exclusive pop. So let's have a look what he looks like. If I can get him out. There we go. So we have Harry at the Quidditch World Cup, which is from Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. I love how big the hat is. It looks oversized. So let's get him out of the box and have a proper look at him. So here he is. He didn't come with a stand, so he must be weighted okay to stand on his own. But we have the Bulgarian hat, which he buys. And then he's also got the Bulgarian scarf on as well. He's mid-clap. But yeah, I think this is a great addition to the set, and he can go along with the 3-pack of Fred, George and Ginny, who are supporting the rivals, the Irish. So yeah, I think he looks really cute. And that hat just looks so oversized, but cool. So I also got myself some more of the season 4 mystery bags. If you remember, I just bought the last 2 in EB Games, and I actually got both of the exclusives, but I really wanted some of the characters. So when Popcultcha had some of these listed on their site, I had to get them. So I'm just going to open all the tops and then we'll see who we've got. So I bought 6 packets. I've just opened the top of all of them. They all, bar one, feel thicker than the other 2 packets we got, so hopefully we have got quite a few of the characters. So let's open them and see. I am really hoping for a Draco in one of these bags. So let's have a look at the first one. I think we have Harry. Cool. So we've got Harry with Gryffindor's sword. He looks awesome. And the sword is made out of plastic that moves. That's cool. So that's one new one. Now this one is the one that is a bit... Oh no! It still feels as if there's like more than the flat ones that we got earlier. Ooh. Oh, it is! Excellent! We have a Cornish pixie. Super cute. Okay, so we have 4 now. We have the 2 exclusives, which were, what was it? It was the Hogwarts crest and the Mischief Managed one with all of the characters on. And now we have Harry and the Cornish pixie. Come on, Draco. Oh, we have a Hagrid. So Hagrid with the lantern. That's awesome. We're doing well. Come on, Draco. I want a Draco. Oh, we've got a Dumbledore. So Dumbledore with the Elder Wand. That's cool. 2 more left. I really want a Draco. Although Ron looks cute because he's got a broken wand, Hermione's got a potion, but still, I would like a Draco. So please. Oh no, we got a duplicate. We now have 2 Albus Dumbledores. And 1 left. Come on. Be a Draco. Oh, at least it's not a duplicate. We have Hermione with a potion. That looks cute. So I've bought 8 of these and we have only had 1 duplicate out of 8, which I think is really good. I'm never normally this lucky. So, apart from the last couple of times I've done them actually, because on the Series 5 bag, I didn't get duplicates in that one either. I'll have to see if I can find some more of those. But yes, this is super cute. Hagrid with his lantern, Harry with Gryffindor's sword, Hermione with a potion, a Cornish pixie, and Dumbledore. And we also have the 2 exclusives. And we also have Harry. So yeah, that was a good box from Popcultcha. So let me know if you managed to get your hands on this new Harry and what you think of him. I think he's pretty cool. I do love the hat. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.